And Ray's riding, tightening the outdoors. He's behaving himself very well. This is my crutches tutorial. I stand here on my two crutches with my crushed foot. Boy, you see a back.
Back.
Got to shorten up your reins.
Back.
That's it.
Back.
Good.
Back. 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 Back.
Here. Almost getting a side touch. There you go. Good.
Oh.
Very good. All right, Titan. Being a good boy. Yeah, more leg. A little tired and lazy now.